What up guys, in today's video I came back with another money making app. Here on this app you're gonna earn by doing what you are doing each and every day. So guys, most of us, I know, we can't go a day without watching videos, or whenever we are bored we watch videos and we spend hours and hours watching videos. At the end of the day we end up not getting anything from that. So in today's video I'm gonna show you an app that it's gonna pay you for watching videos. This app is gonna pay you for watching not just any videos, it's gonna pay you just to watch short videos. These videos that you're gonna see on this app are short videos that you can watch, guys, and some of them are fun, some will make you enjoy this app even more. Videos, so the hours you spend, you're gonna get points. Those points can be exchanged for either real money, gift cards, or cryptocurrencies. So guys, this app is available for Android devices. I'm not sure about iOS devices. So here's what you're gonna do. You have to click the link in the description down below to download this app. So the app is called, this app goes by the name Kiwi Short Reels app. So the name of this app is Kiwi Short Reel app. So this is how it looks like on Google Play Store. So guys, this special link is gonna direct you to where you're supposed to download the app. After downloading the app, then required to sign up using your Google. After using it, then after that it's gonna take you to another page whereby you have to select your country and your language. Then after doing that, it's gonna redirect you again into another page whereby you have to choose the videos that you are interested in or the videos that you want to watch. Right, after selecting that, then it's gonna direct you into another page. Then the following page, that's where you enter your username. After that you are done, guys, you'll be taken directly to their dashboard. Here you'll see those reels, guys. Reels are short videos that you can see maybe on Facebook and Instagram. Yes, reels are on Instagram and Facebook, guys. Are those short videos that we see on Instagram and on Facebook, guys. Here, for each and every video that you watch, guys, you're gonna get 100 points. Then those 100 points, guys, can be for each and every video you're gonna get 100 points. As you can see here, if they say if you can watch over 400 videos, guys, if you can watch 400 videos, you will get maybe 5 cents. Right, you'll make an amount of 5 cents. Yes, I know this app is not paying that much, but guys, it's better than getting nothing, guys. At the end of the day, you are at least here on this app, you'll be getting something. So guys, this is not the only way to earn, but now let's take a look how you can earn first here by watching videos. Here, guys, for each and every video that you watch or complete, you get points, and when you scroll to another video, you'll get your points. Your points will be taken straight to your balance. Then each and every time you watch a video and you complete a video and you scroll to another one, your points will be directly taken to your balance. So another way you can earn here on this app is by completing different offers and survey, guys. As we all know that there are instructions that you need to follow in order for you to complete offers, and when you complete those offers you will get those points that they promised you, guys. So you have to follow each and every instruction that is given there by each offer that you choose. Right, guys, another way you can earn here, we all know, is by referring or inviting other people to this platform. When you invite a person into this platform, you will get points and he's also gonna get points. So guys, that's how you can make money here on this app. Tell me what you think about this app in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos based on this content, guys, and turn on the notification bell icon in order for you to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.